Eagle powerful with keen eyesight known for soaring at great heights. Penguin flightless bird adapted for aquatic life. Hummingbird small colorful birds feeding on nectar. Ostrich largest flightless bird native to Africa. Parrot intelligent bird capable of mimicking human speech. Peacock known for its extravagant plumage. Robin small songbird often associated with spring for their melodious singing. Hawk bird of prey with sharp beak known for their powerful flight and keen hunting. Swan graceful with long necks known for their elegance often seen in pairs. Albatross large seabirds known for their exceptional gliding abilities and long-distance flights.